getting a little aggressive here on his DRZ. You got it? Alright, we'll call this the last hill climb of the video. Or the first. Whatever floats your boat. Whee! Oh! Hey! How come you don't do that on the KLR? What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Each Adventure channel. My name is Josh. And this is not what I was expecting this morning. Garrett had asked me if I wanted to go ride, and I remember this being posted in one of the groups. I wasn't sure who was going to show up and who wasn't. Quite a bit more than what I had anticipated. Ooh, can't see, can't see. This is just a dust cloud though. I'm gonna have to hang back just a little bit. Get rid of the dust. The dusty dust. Ooh, get some good terrain over here. So we're back in, actually, you know what? I don't even know if I want to say where we're at right now. Because I'm not 100% sure if we're supposed to be over here. But it's pretty cool. There's some pretty cool trails over here. Some pretty cool terrain. Unfortunately, I do know this area is slated for development at some point in time. I just don't know when. It's not a matter of if, but when. Yeah, but this is pretty cool. So welcome to the first, kind of the first, I guess, official ride of 2018. That seems really weird to say. 2018. So I hope you guys all had a good new year. Nice hill climb there. That's nice. Yeah, so like I said, hope you guys all had a good new year. I did. New Year's and stuff are pretty uneventful. We do the same thing pretty much every year. For Christmas, we kind of stay home. Christmas Eve, we go to my wife's family's house. And New Year's Eve, we do New Year's with my wife's family. You know, it's always good. That's what the holidays are for, right? Getting family together. Oh my God. Right. Oh! Yeah, so like I was saying, I hope you guys all had a good new year and a good holiday. It feels good to be back out riding. I've been, this last month I haven't really ridden a lot. I went out with Colin in the beginning of December, and I really didn't ride all that much until about last weekend. So the riding's been sparse. You know, holidays are kind of hard. But now that the holidays are over, hopefully we can get back into the swing of things. And also back into the swing of things is man, getting some new some new content, some content that's not months old. Oh my God. So I discovered last year that I really recorded way too much. I mean, I guess that's a good problem to have, having too much footage. But you know, as I started going through some of the footage and editing and kind of figuring out what I wanted to be first. Oh, show off. They went that way? Oh, I see him down there. All right. That was cool. Yeah, but whoa. What's up, Evan? Hey, man. How you doing?
All right, Randy.
How's it going? Josh.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
It's you see if you know.
It's the chain.
That would be loose.
Yeah.
Loose?
The chain.
Chain.
Oh, it is so dusty. So we just stopped. Someone had something loose. Yeah, so we had to stop. But it's all good. It's all part of the fun. So unfortunately, I forgot what I was talking about. Oh, this is a steep little hill. It's no problem. What was I talking about? I was talking about footage. I think I was talking about footage. I had way too much footage. Like I was saying, it's a good problem to have, you know, but when it came time to kind of picking what video that I wanted to make, and I tried as much as I could to put them in chronological order, but you know, it got to the point where, you know, this last video that I put out was in September, that last Flying Monkey ride. I have another one that was even before that, so some older TT250 stuff. You know, it's a good problem to have, but you know, I've said it before, it kind of makes me feel a little disconnected from the channel, I think. So, you know, I'm maybe going to be a little bit more selective in terms of, you know, when I go out and film, or, you know, when I go out and ride with Jesse and stuff on Wednesdays, you know, not bring the camera every time, because even I basically had stopped filming for a couple months. Like after September, I think I only brought the camera out once or twice, just because I wanted to be able to catch up on the footage. So I'm finally almost at that point. There's still a little bit of legacy stuff, but not too much left, so that's good. Oh, so I'm kind of glad Evan's here, because I do not know my way around this area at all, actually. I came here once with Garrett before, but for the most part, this is a relatively new experience for me. Oh, this is cool. Damn! Whoa, hey now, that was pretty sketchy. Whoa, can't see anything. It is so dry and dusty. It's kind of ironic because we're on a Sunday right now, and there's rain forecasted for tomorrow. It'll help keep some of this dust down. California has this, it's like the problem of the extremes is what it has. We either have too much rain or not enough rain. And right now we're in that not enough rain. We're not in a drought or anything anymore. At least not yet. Not that I know of anyways. But, you know, it hasn't rained probably since early summer, maybe even before that. I mean, we just got tons and tons of rain last winter. Like too much, where like our dams were overflowing and failing and all kinds of stuff. You know, and that's after being in a drought for 4 or 5 years or however many years it was. And now we're just back to no more rain. So it'd be nice to have a little bit of rain in the forecast here. So, you know what, there's times when I feel like Evan knows where he's going, and times where I feel like that's not the case. Because as of right now, whoa, there's something here. I don't know how heavily traveled this little road is here. Doesn't look like very much. Gotta love all these shotgun shells though. That's always good. I've said it before, like I said, this area I'm not 100% sure on the legality of riding over here. There is no signs and there is no gates, so that's kind of my rule of thumb when it comes to riding in certain spots. But areas like this won't exist. People come here and dump trash or shoot guns and don't pick up after themselves. Hey, we've been over here before. We're going around in circles, man. That's all right though. It's kind of like a skill builder. A lot of this stuff is pretty gnarly. It's fun. A lot different than our normal rides, which are usually fire roads and stuff like that. And normally when we ride with Evan's riding a KLR650, but he just recently got a DRZ400E. I'm not sure what year it is, but it seems like he's determined to up the skill level a little bit, which is cool. This is fun. I like this. A little hill climb here. I'm really wishing right now I would have worn some goggles. I had them in my hand at home, and I was like, you know, not gonna be riding for very long, just gonna be me and Garrett. And looks like I was wrong on all fronts here. in the rut. Oh, and up we go in the dust. Oh, little jump. Oh, this is fun, but it's a little crazy. It's a little cray-cray. This is steeper than it looks. Steeper than it looks. Steeper than it looks. Da, da, da. Oh yeah, that was a bad line. Bad line. Bad line. Do, do, do. Do, do, do. I apologize, guys. I don't really have a topic in mind for today's ride. I'm just kind of riding around. Just wanted to say Happy New Year. See what's going on. Oh, a little bit of news, bike news. So like I said, I mentioned I haven't been riding all that much, but I did go out and do a little local ride last weekend, but I'm pretty sure that the clutch on the CRF needs replaced. I was riding it pretty hard. Not hard, I mean, it was basically stuff like this, but not as fast, with a lot more clutch. You all right?
I'm okay.
Well, at least you saved it. That's pretty good.
I spoke too soon.
Happens to all of us, especially on these. You got it?
Yeah.
Thanks. No problem. Well, yeah, it doesn't help that it's kind of off camber here too. So when you put your foot down, you expect the ground to be there, and it's not. It's all part of the fun. So yeah, like I was saying, the terrain was a little bit like this, but I was riding the clutch pretty hard on some hill climbs and just some little kind of technical stuff. So on the ride home, once I hit about 4th gear, it was just winding out. Like it wasn't grabbing anymore. So I'm probably gonna do the clutch upgrade. I'm not gonna go with the Barnett springs, which are like the extra heavy duty ones, the extra stiff ones. But I think it's the EBC kit that they sell on CRFs only. So it's the EBC clutch and the EBC clutch springs. So I've heard that actually makes a big impact on the way the bike handles. I never really thought about it before, but this clutch just, it's weird. Like it doesn't feel like it's slipping, but it doesn't grab. Like it doesn't grab the way like my TTR 230 clutch grabs. And I know the TTR has a heavy duty clutch in it, so this could feel more like that. I'm all in, so I'm probably gonna do that pretty soon. Probably gonna do the skid plate and radiator guard and stuff too, just things that I haven't gotten on this bike yet. But also in terms of bike news, I'm probably gonna be picking up my new bike here probably sometime this month over the next couple weeks. So as soon as I get it, I'll probably do a little vlog with it. So that'll be relatively current. So that'll be cool. So I'm really excited about that. So woo! Careful! That literally is a cliff. So those of you that don't hang out with us on a SoCal Dual Sport group, ever since Garrett's bike went over the edge, we give him a lot of crap about falling off a cliff. Ooh, wow. No, I'm going down for sure. Going down. Going down, down, and nearly around. Sugar, we're going down, swinging, yeah, woo, like a boss. All right, guys, well, I'm gonna go ahead and end this one right here. I'm gonna end that on a high note. I thought for sure that was falling. That was a sandy hill. We'll end that on a high note. We'll call that a win.
You didn't go down.
No. Well, anyways. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy New Year. If you're new, I got quite a good month in terms of subscribers last month. So if you're new, welcome aboard. If you've been here a while, thank you for sticking around. If you haven't subscribed yet, definitely hit that subscribe button, and we'll try to bring you new adventure slash dual sport slash dust slash enduro videos every single week. But until next time, guys, have fun, take care, and ride safe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, make sure you get out there and have adventures of your own, and I will see you guys next time. Later.